Well, I've driven a lot of super trucks, and everybody asks me, is the money they cost worth it? Well, as far as the EOG truck goes, I think this truck is worth it. So we just pulled the Kryptonite Products 2025 F-550 out of the gear and axle shop because we took the 430s out and put 488s in it. So I've never driven one of these trucks. I figured I might as well take it for a test drive and tell you how it feels. So rip across the road, hit the speed bumps. All right, we're gonna pull out on the highway and see how this thing rides on the road. So far, it literally just feels like an F-250 or F-350. Oh my gosh. For a 10,000 pound truck, which this has a GVW of 9,800 pounds, accelerates like crazy. That's 75 miles an hour. We got 41-inch Goodyears on here on 20-inch rims, and I'm not even touching the wheel. No shake, no rattle. So we just did the DDS Hydro Assist Kit from PSC, and so the Dynamic Dampening Stabilizer, which is basically PSC's new hydraulic ram, is a pass-through ram. So one rod end is not on the end of the ram, it's up on the top of the ram. And what this does is gives you equal hydraulic assist in both directions, so an absolute centered feel on a big truck with hydraulic assist. So it's not making the truck squirrely. It's just as all of our builds, one finger down the road. So we did a new box from PSC, new lines, and mounted the ram. We didn't do reservoir pump or anything on this 550, 2025 diesel 550. So to have a truck this big, this heavy, and feel as agile and nimble as this truck does, that's both due to the build of the truck, which Elevation Off-Grid did, but also due to the liquid spring setup that they use on these trucks. So we're gonna go up my little test run here and hit some potholes and bumps, and without going fast, just regular speed on a 1.5 lane road. Handles, drives, no body roll, and no longer has leaf springs in the rear. It's linked front and rear. So watch this. This is the killer thing about the 550s and 450s. So you turn this thing with 41-inch tires in a 2-lane road with a little pullout. There's no backing up, and you've just turned around in the road. It literally steers sharper than a F-350 or 250 short bed 4-door, Totally enjoyable truck to drive. So you got 10,000 pounds of payload available, just under 10,000 on this package, with 41-inch tires, driving down the highway, awesome, and then adjustable ride height with these liquid springs. So we're gonna pull up behind the shop, get out, and kind of show you what the liquid spring setup does that Elevation Off-Road put on this truck. Elevation Off-Road did a bunch of other things to this truck as well, on the interior, on sound deadening, bumpers, lighting, all that stuff. It's a package they offer. You basically order the truck from them. They receive a riding like brick F-550 cab chassis dually, and then they build this truck for you. And you basically have a sheet, and you click all the things that you want a la carte, from the backup camera to the lighting package to the sound package, to the sound deadening package. So this truck was ordered from them, and some of these kind of builder shops do it fly by night, just put lipstick on the pig. I will tell you right now, I would drive in this truck every day. I would drive cross country in it empty. I'm sure it works just as good loaded, and unbelievable truck to drive. So let's pull up here on the hill and check it out and see what we got going. So it seems to ride really nice in the nuisance bumps, and it has basically, looks like 3 settings for how stiff or soft it rides, which that's awesome. Look at this sharp turning right up around the tree where we do our videos. Definitely sharper than some of the JTs that we've built. So we'll pull up right here, and before we get out, we'll try a few things. So these are the controls for the liquid springs, and we're on normal height, but it's got medium, high, and high. So we're gonna go to high. So 2 clicks, and should be taking us up to high right now. And we're past medium, high. And we are at the high setting. Boom, it locked in. And good to go. So as you can see right here, we were on comfort level when we were just driving the truck. And then it also has a normal and a sport. So comfort's gonna give you that soft ride for driving down the freeway. The normal is just around town, still being kind of stiff like a 550, and the sport's gonna make it just handle like it's on rails, probably when you have a load as well. So get out of the truck and take a look at this. So this is basically the truck on the high setting. We put it up here so that we can look at the suspension on this, because I think that's the most unique thing about these builds from EOG Elevation Off Grid. And the unique thing is the liquid springs. Once you get past the forged aluminum 20-inch wheels, the 385/80 R20 Goodyears, which basically measure to a little bit bigger than 41 inches, you look right here in the wheel well. So this has a Carly off-road sway bar on it, kryptonite control arms on it, and you can see right here there's the load leveling system for the front suspension. And you see this kind of red industrial looking shock. It's a giant tube, giant body. You can see the hydraulic hoses going to the back. So liquid spring is an all hydraulic shock that does the dampening and holds the weight of the vehicle up as well. This company has been developing more and more products. They've been at SEMA. What a great option to just bolt in a shock, have ride height adjustments, and they ride good, they handle good, they drive good. Having the 4 settings of drivability for different things you're doing, driving empty, towing a load, washboard roads, smooth pavement. I mean, what a great option to have for these trucks. So right out of the gate, you're looking at this truck. Elevation Off Grid does just about everything. Like, I'm not gonna get into the details of all of it, but like I said, the truck comes as a cab chassis dually, and they go and do their work, right? So custom flares. Obviously, the front bumpers here are wide body for the flares. Baja Designs lights everywhere. So we got them, the Factor 55 Ultra Hook, winch sunk into the bumper. Those are LP6s in the bumper. I mean, everywhere you look, you got lighting on this truck, and it looks awesome. Even the light bar sunk in there. Underneath, let's talk about what we did, right? So we wanted a little bit more power, a little bit more drivability for kryptonite. So the trucks come with 430 gears, and we went ahead and took the 430s out and put 488s in it, front and rear. So while we were doing that, it's a little tight underneath there, unfortunately, but if you look right behind that kryptonite heavy-duty tie rod for the 450/550s, there's a PSC ram back there. And that bracket and steel that's attached to the housing and on the diff cover is what holds the ram. Now you see right here by the diff cover, the shaft is coming through the ram out the other end. So this is their new dynamic dampening system. I think it's called DDS, which is basically a pass-through hydraulic ram that gives you the same pressure right and left. And of course, in order to make that work, you can see these giant bolts here on the frame. We had to remove the power steering box and put the new box in that's ported. The truck steers awesome, rides awesome, looks awesome. electric step package on this thing, of course, to get in and out. And then what are we seeing here? This is an F-550 with a bed. So elevation off grid, this is what makes it really custom. They buy the cabin chassis truck, put this bed on it, modify it, make it work. So it looks kind of like a civilian 350 or 250, but with all the luxuries and the load capacities and the towing capacities of a 550. I mean, this truck is still rated to tow 40,000 pounds, give or take. That's crazy. And to haul 10,000 in the back of the truck. So it's a 9,800 is what it weighs, and then I think it has another 98 and something load capacity. As you work around to the back, the bumper package that comes from Elevation, once again, more Baja design lights, see the Kryptonite logo, and check out, I mean, this is how you can tell it's a 550. Check out the size of that rear end. It's absolutely ginormous in there. With the sway bar, you can see the liquid springs with the boots on them right there, holding up all the way of the truck and everything. Very, very unique setup. It's kind of odd to see the brake calipers so far in on the rear end because it's no longer a dually, has super singles, but I think that just, you know, makes the truck pop off. As we search back or roll back around to this side, you can see the liquid spring mounted to the side of the frame right there. And here's the key to what makes it work. So you can never get the leaf springs to ride nice in the back of a 450, 550. So if you take a look right here, there's control arms. The rear end is now linked. You see the liquid springs badging right there. And then this is it right here. You see that little electric arm? So that's on the front and rear. That senses the height, allows the computer to go to the preferred different ride heights that you can do in this truck. And it also keeps it level when you load it. You can obviously drop the back down when you're hooking up a trailer. If you're carrying uneven loads, it levels the truck out. So it's such a smart system that you don't even realize all the calculations that this thing is making every second you drive it when you're driving down the road. So awesome truck. You know, he went over the top on this in that you have a 550, it's a big truck, you got a lot of wind noise, you might have tire noise from these heavy duty tires. So he added their sound deadening package at Elevation, and you can't even notice, but they basically take the entire interior of the truck apart and add sound deadening in the doors, the floor, underneath the seats. This is their custom interior package. There's a nice LED display underneath the seat. Everything is subtle, but over the top in this truck. What an awesome truck to drive and be in. And hopefully these 488 gears are gonna make the truck that much more to drive, that much more enjoyable to drive every day. I wish it was my truck, let me tell you. So awesome truck. Thanks for sharing it with us, Kryptonite, letting us do the gears and the PSC Hydro Assist steering, and can't wait to see the next one. So we just pulled the Kryptonite Products 2025 F-550 out of the shop. This was built by Elevation. Of course, I didn't read the instructions. Can't be that hard, there's just arrows. We just had it in the WFO Gear and Axle shop, and we went ahead and put, hold on a second. This was built by Elevation, and we used their new Dynamic Dampening steering. This is a tongue twister.
We could just
give me one more shot.
Yeah, one more shot.
Yeah, Dynamic Dampening steering stabilizer. So what that is a straight through steering stable, or a
blooper reel.
Yeah.